Hi, this is Achilles from Solar Juice. This video is about how to install Reposit kit for Opal storage. Before installation, please remember to contact Reposit at least 10 days before installing the system. You can visit our website and this will help you to find the correct Reposit kit. Before installation, please read the Reposit installation guide and Reposit connection diagrams. Prepare suitable tools and cables for installation. Make sure you use proper safety gear and refer to the installation menu for clarification. First, install Reposit box. And power supply on the DIMM rail in the Opal storage. Next, connect the active and neutral wires between the Reposit box and power supply. Connect the active wire between power supply and the spare circuit breaker and connect the neutral wire to the common point. For CT installation, please first prepare a RS485 cable and choose 3 wires from the cable to be connected with the Reposit and to the CT in the main switchboard through the meter gland. Please check the installation video for CT meter we provided separately. In order for Reposit to get access to the internet, you'll be first preparing a Cat5 internet cable. Insert one side of the cable to the LAN port on the SKTL and insert the other side to the bottom of the Reposit box. If you wish to get access to the internet, we recommend that you use the wired connection method, and for this you will need to use the Ethernet dongle. First, connect it to the USB port on top of the Reposit box. Then use a Cat5 network cable to be connected to the Ethernet dongle and wire the other side through the LAN gland and connect it to the home router. This video is about the installation of a Reposit kit inside the Opal storage. For installation of commissioning and other components, please check out our other videos in our YouTube channels. My name is Achilles from Solar Juice and I'll see you in the next video.